Welcome to our channel. Here we break down important topics to help you make informed decision. Today we are talking a subject that impact millions of people every year. Personal injury law in the United States. Whether we have been in a car accident, experienced a slip and fall, or dealt with medical malpractice. Knowing your right under personal injury law can make all the difference in how you navigate this situation. In this video, we will cover 6 topics. First is what personal injury law are and why they matter. Second is the most common type of cases. Third is how the legal process works from start to finish. Fourth is the kind of compensation you may be entitled to. Fifth is type of choosing the right attorney. And sixth is and finally we will bust some common myth about personal injury claim. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the basic of personal injury law and the step you should take if you ever find yourself in need. So let's get started. Personal injury law are designed to protect individuals who suffer harm due to someone else's negligence, recklessness, or intentional action. The main goal is to ensure the injury party is compensated for their losses and to hold the responsible party accountable. For example, if you are injured in a car accident because another driver ran a red light, you can file a claim under personal injury law to recover costs for medical bills, vehicle damage, lost wage, and even pain and suffering. Second topic is type of personal injury cases. Now let's talk about the most common types of personal injury cases. First is motor vehicle accident. These are among the most frequent cases, whether it is car, truck, or motorcycle accident. If the other driver is at fault, you may be entitled to compensation. Second is workplace injury. If you are injured on the job, worker compensation law often apply. But in some cases, you can file a personal injury lawsuit, especially if a third party is involved. Third is slip and fall accident. These falls under premise liability. Property owners have a duty to keep their space safe. If they fail to do so and you get hurt, they could be held responsible. Fourth is medical malpractice. When a healthcare provider fail to meet the standard of care, resulting in harm, you can pursue a malpractice claim. Fifth is defective products. If a product causes injury due to a design flaw or manufacturing defect, the manufacturer can be held liable. Sixth is intentional tort. These include cases like assault or intentional harm where someone deliberately causes injury. Third is the legal process. So what happens if you decide to file a personal injury claim? Here is a quick breakdown. First is seek medical attention. Always prioritize your health and document your injury. This is crucial for your case. Second is gather evidence. Take photos of the scene, collect witness information, and keep detailed record of expenses. Third is consult an attorney. A personal injury attorney can help you navigate the complexity of the legal system and negotiate with insurance companies. Fourth is filing the claim. Your attorney will file a claim and handle communication with the other parties' insurance companies. Fifth is negotiation or trial. Most cases are resolved through settlement, but if an agreement is not reached, your case may go to court. Sixth is receiving compensation. Once resolved, you have received compensation for your damage, whether through a settlement or court verdict. Fourth is type of compensation. In personal injury case, compensation generally fall into three categories. First is economic damage. There are tangible costs like medical bills, lost wage, and property damage. Second is non-economic damage. These include pain and suffering, emotional disasters, and loss of enjoyment of life. Third is punitive damage, rarely awarded. These are meant to punish the at fault party for egregious behavior and deter other from similar action. Fifth topic is choosing the right attorney. Choosing the right attorney is crucial. Here are a few tips. Look for expensive in personal injury case. Check online review and testimonials. Ask about their track record with settlement and trials. Understand their fee structure. Most personal injury lawyers work on contingency, meaning they only get paid if you win. 6 is common myth about personal injury law. Finally, let's debunk some common myth. Myth number 1. Personal injury lawsuits are only for serious injuries. Even minor injury can lead to claim if the result is significant cost or impact your life. Myth number 2. You will get a quick payout. Fact. While some cases settle quickly, others take time to investigate and negotiate. Myth number 3. You don't need a lawyer. Insurance will cover everything. Fact. Insurance companies aim to minimize payout, so having an attorney can maximize your compensation. And what wrap up our deep dive into personal injury law in the United States. I hope this video has given you the knowledge and confidence to navigate this situation if they ever arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to channel for more videos that simplify complex topics. Do you have question or personal experience related to personal injury case? Share them in the comment. I did love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and remember, protect your right, stay informed, and I will see you in the next videos.